Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Snorlax. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines. I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a large curve across. Now on top, let's draw the head. Let's start with a large curve for the shape of the head. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a V shape at the top. And then from the ends, let's curve it down. Now let's move inside and let's draw the face. Let's start with two curves for the eyes. Then underneath in the center, towards the bottom, let's draw another curve for the mouth. And then a pointed V shape up on both sides for the teeth. Lastly, for the head, let's add the ears. Let's start on the top corners and let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And now let's do the same on the top left. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and finish drawing the body. From the body line we drew earlier, let's extend it down on both sides. Now at the bottom here, let's add the feet. Let's start with a curve underneath on both sides. And then continue it around to close off the shape of the foot. Now that we have the shape of the feet, now let's draw the toenails. Let's start by drawing a curve inside near the top, and then a V-shaped point up to close it off. Now let's draw another one in the same way. And one third one below it on both sides. Now let's erase all the overlapping lines inside each of the toes. And lastly, inside each foot, let's draw a large oval shape. And that's it for the feet. Now let's continue drawing the body. To close off the bottom of the body, let's draw a curve across in between the feet. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the patch on the belly. Let's start by drawing a curve down, and the same on the right. And now let's connect them with a wavy line. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move to the sides and add the arms. Let's start on the top and let's draw a curve down and then curve it in towards the foot. And the same on the right. Now at the end of each arm, let's draw 4 V-shaped points for the claws. And that's it for Snorlax. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!